Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says in light of the concerns raised about the citizenship status in the by-elections, he intends to take a serious look at the issue in the very near future. Since nomination day on Monday, the JLP revealed the PNP candidate in St. Mary's South Eastern, Dr. Shane Alexis, is not a Jamaican citizen. Dr. Alexis, who is a Canadian citizen, is allowed to sit in the House of Representatives under the Constitution as long as he lived in Jamaica for 12 months prior. However, according to Andrew Holness, he will not be focusing on that issue for the by-election.
But afterwards, we have to go figure out now, because some important questions are raised. Should someone who is not a Jamaican, who doesn't hold a Jamaican passport, should that person sit in our parliament and make laws for you? And that is an important question that needs to be answered. We have to ensure that Jamaican citizens are in our parliament, and that people who are not sworn to other powers and other countries that have obligations to other countries are not in our parliament making laws for us.